I want dirt under my nails and silence in my ears. I want trees that don't talk back. I'm sick of screens screaming at my face, sick of clocks chewing my spine. Every sidewalk feels like a cage, every smile feels fucking fake. Humans packed together like noise pollution, breathing each other's bullshit, calling it progress. I hate the way cities hum like anxiety. I hate the constant fucking selling. Buy this, be this, smile harder, work until you rot. I don't want your apps, I don't want your rules, I don't wanna pretend I give a shit about your trends, your brands, your hollow empathy posts. I want out of this loud plastic nightmare, out of this human swarm. I want the woods, cold air, sharp shadows. No people, no fucking apologies. I want the woods, cold air, sharp shadows. No people, no fucking apologies. I dream about leaving without a note, no forwarding address, just footprints fading into pine needles. Let society choke on its own trash, let it burn in ads and opinions. I'm done carrying other people's stupidity, done swallowing rage to be polite. Fuck polite, fuck normal, fuck your fragile rules. In the woods, nothing asks me to be useful, nothing judges my scars. The wind doesn't care about my productivity, the rain doesn't demand a resume. Animals don't lie to my face, they don't posture, they don't manipulate, they just survive, and that feels honest as I want out. I want dirt and teeth and fire. I want to disappear from your systems, your fucking algorithms. Erase my name, erase my number. Let me be feral. Humans talk too much, promise too much, ruin everything they touch, then cry when it collapses. I'm sick of the noise, sick of the cruelty wrapped in kindness, sick of pretending this world isn't sick, it's rotten, and I don't want the cure. I'll trade comfort for quiet, I'll trade convenience for truth. Give me hunger over this numb shit, give me cold nights and real fear. At least it's fucking real, at least it's mine.